Hey everyone, welcome. So does your gutter drip? But it's not coming from the typical spots, like a seam? Like normally it would drip right here on a seam or at the downspout. But here it's just on the gutter, no seams. So what do you think's causing that? Well, I'm gonna show you. It took a little bit of troubleshooting, but I finally figured it out. My gutters have been doing that in a few spots for a while now, and I couldn't figure out where the water was coming from. So, like I said, after some troubleshooting, I figured it out, and I'm going to show you why right now. You can see it's doing it here too, right there. That's coming from behind the gutter.
Come on, Levi, let's go help these fine people fix the gutter. What do you think? Huh? What do you think? Yeah? What do you think? Is it wet out there? Yeah, it's wet out there, isn't it? It's wet out there. Good boy. Okay, let's go. You want to go in? Go in.
You can see every 1.5 feet or so, at least on these gutters anyways, you have this support bracket right here. And then another one here. Okay, so if you look under there, there's a screw back there holding this on. Okay, so when it rains, the water comes down off the roof, goes into the gutter, but it also hits the bracket. Now there is a little drain hole on each one of these, but that gets plugged up with debris sometimes, or if it really pours rain, this just overflows. It can't keep up, which it's fine, it overflows into the gutter, but it also fills this little saddle here. That water gets back up around the head of that screw and just seeps out and drips right here. Comes behind the gutter through that hole where the screw is and drips down here. And that's why you get the random drips here and there. Some of them don't do it, but some do. So if they're sealed, that takes care of the problem. And I'm gonna show you how I do it. There's a couple different ways. Okay, so the rain has stopped. Now I'm gonna get my screwdriver in there and get that screw out of there. So now we can take our roofing screw with the rubber washer on it and use that. Or put some waterproof caulking around the hole. And then just put that screw back in. And that's it. That should fix it up. So I think if I was a gutter company, I would be using these metal roofing screws with the gasket. That'd be the easiest way. And you won't get any callbacks. Yeah, so problem solved. Pretty easy fix, really. So this is something you might want to check out if you're having this issue, and hopefully it works for you. All right. Thanks for watching, everyone. We'll see you next time.